Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will be discussing about difference between Davis and Ackermann steering mechanism. As in the last few lectures we have studied various mechanisms related to kinematics of machine. So in this particular lecture we will be focusing ourselves to difference between Davis and Ackermann steering mechanism. In the last lecture we have discussed about what is steering mechanism, then we discussed about what is Davis steering mechanism, and we also derived an expression for the correct steering in case of Davis as well as Ackermann steering mechanism. So now in nutshell we will be seeing what is the difference between Davis and Ackermann steering mechanism. To be very straightforward, first we will define what is steering mechanism, then directly we will be focusing on the difference between Davis and Ackermann steering mechanism. So let's start. Again, steering gear mechanism. What is steering gear mechanism? Steering means to guide the vehicle in a specified direction by means of a mechanism. So steering is a system of components, linkages, etc., which allows any vehicle to follow the desired course. Here any vehicle means all the vehicles except railways that has different set of mechanism that plays with the help of different tracks, but in general for any automobile steering is a system of components, linkages, etc., which allows any vehicle to follow the desired course. Here we will see two different types of steering mechanism. First is the Davis and second is the Ackermann steering mechanism. So I'll directly move to the difference between Davis and Ackermann steering mechanism. So what are the difference between Davis and Ackermann steering mechanism? First of all, Davis steering mechanism, then Ackermann steering mechanism. In case of Davis steering mechanism, the mechanism is in front of the front wheel. That is, suppose these are your front wheels. So the mechanism is in front of the front wheels, as you can see in this figure also. So in case of Davis steering mechanism, the mechanism is in front of the front wheels, whereas for Ackermann steering mechanism, the mechanism is on the back of the front wheels. You can see with the help of figure also, as in this particular figure, these are the front wheels. So the mechanism is at the back of the front wheel. You can see in this particular figure also. So the mechanism is on the back of the front wheels in case of Ackermann steering mechanism, whereas in case of Davis steering mechanism, the mechanism is in front of the front wheels. Now next, in case of Davis steering mechanism, here the sliding action takes place during the mechanism and it has two sliding pairs and two turning pairs. So Davis steering mechanism, it has a sliding action, whereas in case of Ackermann steering mechanism, it consists of all the turning pairs and there are no sliding pairs. So in case of Ackermann steering mechanism, it has all the turning pairs and no sliding pair, but for Davis steering mechanism, it has two sliding pairs and two turning pair. This is the second difference between Davis and Ackermann. Next, more wear and tear in case of Davis steering mechanism is as it has the sliding pairs, so it has comparatively high wear and tear as compared to Ackermann. So in case of Ackermann steering mechanism, it has comparatively less wear and tear. So out of the Davis and Ackermann steering mechanism, Davis has more wear and tear. So we can say that these are comparatively less used because of the wear and tear failure, and this wear and tear in case of Davis is because of the sliding action, as in case of Ackermann it has only turning pairs, so it has comparatively less chances of failures. Next, fourth difference is in case of Davis steering mechanism, as mechanism is in front of the front axle or wheel, therefore extra space need for the mechanism. As you can see, this is the front wheel and the mechanism is in front of the front wheel, so the extra space is needed for the mechanism in case of Davis, whereas for Ackermann steering mechanism, it saves space as the mechanism is at the back of the front wheel. Next, for Davis steering mechanism, it is less used nowadays because of the more wear and tear, requires more space, etc. So Davis steering mechanism is less used nowadays, whereas Ackermann steering mechanism comparatively better usage nowadays. So it is likely to be used as it has all the turning pairs. Here the steering action is also very effective as compared to Davis. So out of these two, Ackermann is more preferred as compared to Davis. Last, for Davis steering mechanism, accuracy is reduced during the process, or we can say working. So continuously the accuracy is reduced because of the wear and tear and other drawbacks. But whereas Ackermann steering mechanism, original accuracy is maintained. So these are some of the differences between Davis and Ackermann steering mechanism. So you can read it one by one. Thank you so much.